My amputee story and why the Rainbow Foundation for Amputees matters to me. Hello everyone, my name is Tweki. Welcome to the Rainbow Foundation for Amputee, where hope walks again one step at a time. I want to share my amputee story with you, and it's very personal. Many of you know me as the founder of the Rainbow Foundation for Amputees. But before I was the founder, I was simply a person whose life changed forever. A few years ago, I became very seriously ill with septicemia just before COVID. What followed was one of the most difficult seasons of my life, the most challenging seasons of my life. I spent 3 months in the hospital. Because of the circumstances at that time, I was isolated from family and visitors because it was the global lockdown for COVID. Those months were lonely, frightening, and uncertain. As a result of the infection, I lost my left leg below the knee and a part of my right foot. I was in a mess mentally, spiritually, and emotionally. In a moment, everything changed. My whole life changed. The things most people take for granted, standing up, walking across the room, getting dressed, going shopping, suddenly became challenges. And it was difficult. But the physical loss was only part of the journey. While I was fighting the septicemia and fighting for my life in the hospital, I was retrenched. Luckily, I got my job back after a while. And during that same season, I lost my beloved dog as well while I was in the hospital. It felt like loss after loss after loss after loss. There were days when I wondered what my future would look like. Because at that stage, everything was just broken. There were days when I felt broken, so lonely, so overwhelmed by all the circumstances. And then came another challenge that many people don't understand. Getting prosthesis is not always simple. There are often funding battles, medical aid limitations, and financial obstacles, and that is what the world out there don't know about. For many amputees, the dream of walking again depends on whether they can afford the prosthesis they need. And this is a huge challenge because if you can't afford it, you're going to stay in a wheelchair. I was one of the fortunate ones with help from a beautiful lady, an angel, and an awesome person of God, a woman of God. She paid for my prosthesis and I could afford it. With prosthesis, I can live a fairly normal life under the circumstances. But many amputees are still waiting. They are still confined to wheelchairs, not because they don't want to walk, but because they simply cannot afford the prosthetics and the equipment they need to change their lives that could help them to walk again. The reality breaks my heart really about this. And this is why the Rainbow Foundation for Amputees means so much to me. And it was born, my pain was turned into purpose. Not because I'm an expert. I'm not an expert on this. Not because I have all the answers. No. But because I know what it feels like to face loss. I know what it feels like to be uncertain. And the struggle of rebuilding your life again, I know everything about it. My hope is that this channel becomes a place where amputees can share their stories, encourage each other, and remind all of us each day, we can remind each other that we are not alone. There are so many amputees out there. If you're an amputee or if someone you love is an amputee, I would like and love to hear your story. Send it via email to me. The email address will be in the description of this video. And that is what I need to do. This is a channel where we're going to make our voice heard in the world out there. Together we can raise awareness. Together we can create hope. Together we can show the world that the life after amputation is not the end of the story. It is not. It is a beginning. It is a new chapter in all of our lives. Yes, our lives will not go back to normal like it used to be. But we can build a new chapter. And thank you for listening to this video. And I would like you to subscribe, and share this video. Share it. Because there are so many amputees out there and people out there that don't understand the struggles of an amputee. And that life can change again. We can start a new chapter because the old is gone. You cannot change the past, but we can change our future by walking again. And we can do it. And remember, from broken to brave together. I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.